Top tile styles for your bathroom in 2026. Bathrooms are evolving into stylish retreats, and the right tile can transform your space with innovation, elegance, and sustainability. Large format tiles are leading the way, offering sleek looks and fewer grout lines for a spacious feel. Terrazzo is making a creative comeback, while bold geometric patterns add dynamic flair. Natural stone brings timeless luxury, and textured or 3D tiles create stunning depth. For eco-conscious homeowners, sustainable tiles made from recycled materials are a smart choice. Wood-look porcelain combines warmth with durability, and metallic finishes add a touch of glamour. Classic subway tiles are updated with new colors and layouts, and vintage-inspired designs bring Art Deco charm. Choose tiles that fit your style and maintenance needs, and hire skilled professionals for the best results. Start planning your bathroom renovation today.